Okay, so we must talk now. We must start. So, first of all, thank you all for attending this class. We are going to practice on Kangaroo, the mathematics competition that we all know about. So, first of all, if you didn't sign up yet, I'm going to show you the small steps how to do it. First of all, go to Kangaroo KSA, which is for Mohiba for math competition. And from the site, we can sign up easily. Registration. And of course, you're going to put your ID, number, or the email. And of course, the password, you all use it for Mohiba, and of course, you know it. So, first of all, we must understand the structure of the exam. When you open the Kangaroo on March, and by the way, please don't forget to sign up. If you didn't, you must sign up because the deadline is during this month. I think it's 21, 22 February. So go for it and don't be late. Now, the structure when you open the exam is 30 questions, and some of them out of three, some of them out of four, and some of them out of five. Of course, according to the difficulty. The difficult questions, marks on each question, and the easy ones, 3 points on each question or problem. And of course, we have 10 questions of 3 point each, 10 for 4.8, and 10 for 5 points each. First of all, you're not going to have them like this organized, the easy ones first and the medium hard. No, you're going to deal with randomly any question they're going to pick up for you, and up on the screen you can switch and go to another question, go back, go forward like you want, okay? And of course, they will write for you. This question is out of 3 marks. This question is out of 4 or 5 marks. My advice, always start with the easy ones and keep the hard to the end. Because sometimes time is not enough. You're going to choose randomly, but of course, we are going to cross some choices. First of all, let's try for here, for example. Anyone wants to share with us and start reading? Okay, Nawal.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Can you please read for us question number one? You cannot see, I can zoom for you.
Teacher, can I read
Yes, Fatima.
six? No, teacher, I'm Michelle Khashlan.
Oh, Bishari, yes.
6 points are numbered as shown. Watin draws two triangles, one by joining the even numbered points and one by joining the odd numbered points, and colors the inside of one of the triangles red and the inside of the other green. Which of the five options shown the picture shows the picture Watin draws?
Okay, what ideas do you have? Okay, guys. So first of all, it's so easy, this one. I'm going to explain it briefly. Of course, we're going to deal with odd numbers and even numbers. So we know that those are the vertices of a triangle. The vertices, as you can see here in this choice, this is a vertex, this one is a vertex, and this one is a vertex. And each triangle have three vertices, okay? So first of all, we are going to join the even numbers. I don't care now about the color. We need to first of all to draw the line, and then we're going to see what shape we're going to obtain. 2, 4, and 6 are odd numbers, are even numbers, sorry. Even numbers, by the way, small revision, even numbers are numbers that are multiple of 2, or we can say we can divide them by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, so we can divide it and so on. And for the odd numbers, we're going to change the color to make it clear. 1, 3, and 5. So of course, this is the shape. We are going to compare it. Of course, it's not A. 1 and 5 are not joined in A, and we're going to B, and of course,
Can
no. Yes,
I? The answer is E, teacher.
the answer is E, which is right. Thank you. So this one is clear. By the way, the trick here is you cannot type on your screen. When you are doing the exam will be online. So you cannot type on your screen. Simply draw the points on a paper and join them. So keep with you paper and pen for doing the scratch answers, okay? Now, for this one, number 2, also it's an easy one. Who want to read?
I want to. Me.
Come on, start. Who's going to read for us?
I want to read.
Who's talking?
Read.
Walid, yes, you can start.
Ayman rode around 5 points. As shown, which bios did Ayman roar around in an anti-clockwise direction?
Okay, so what is the anti-clockwise direction? From
The,
its name, anti-clockwise.
the opposite of the clockwise.
Yes, so this one is the clockwise and this one is the anti-clockwise. So simply, in this type
Can
of questions, we're going to follow. We don't have another choice. So who's going to give us ideas?
I answer?
Who?
Me. حسن باهي.
Wait, Hassan, not now. We need
Teacher,
to give chance for others.
I have one, but I don't know if it will be good. I think it will be bad.
So, Nawal, are you with us?
Yes.
Okay, can you please help us here?
I think the answer is D.
Okay, so we don't want to think, we need to double check, we need to be exact.
Okay.
So, checking 1, 4, and 5. You are saying that 1 and 4 and 5 are anti-clockwise. We're going to start with the arrow. So this one is in this direction, which is anti-clockwise, which is right. 1 is right. We went down and we are moving in this direction. So also, no, it's a clockwise. So we don't want that too. Going up to the 3.
Killer.
And the,
Go to your room. I study.
so
I
this
study. Go
one
to your room.
is anti-clockwise. So 1 and 3 are anti-clockwise.
The answer is one.
Yes, Hassan, what is the answer?
It is E, teacher. It's E.
Yes. So as you can see, 4 also is clockwise, 5 is clockwise, only 1 and 3 are anti-clockwise. So the answer will be E. So in this type of questions, we need to put our finger on the screen and go move with the bot. Okay?
Hello, Mister.
Hello. So this one,
Could I read?
who's
Can
talking?
I read also?
Me, Bana.
Yes, Ban.
Okay. Laser beams reflect in mirrors in the way shown in the picture. At which letter will this laser beam end in the picture? 2.
Okay. So of course, it's clear for us what's the question here. I have the laser beams and they are moving in this direction. So each rod is reflecting them opposite to it. So, who's going to start with this? We're going to move
Should I?
using our fingers. Yes, who's talking?
نغم.
Yes, Nagam.
So the laser beam is going through in picture number 2. The laser beam is going through the first mirror and
Okay.
will go in the left mirror.
Left?
Yes.
No, in
It will
fact,
reflect.
it will reflect up.
Yes. In my screen, it shows it's left.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
So it's
Up.
going when
So
then.
then it's gonna go, reflect in front of it. The mirror in front.
Yes.
Then that mirror is gonna reflect on the mirror below it.
Okay.
And then that mirror is gonna reflect on the mirror we started with.
Okay, great.
And then that mirror is gonna reflect on the one below it.
Okay.
And then that mirror is gonna reflect on the one beside it.
Great.
And then it's gonna reflect on the one above it.
Okay.
Then it's gonna be reflect on the one beside it.
Okay.
Then above it.
Okay.
Then beside it.
Okay.
Then below it.
Okay.
Then the next to it.
Okay.
Then below it.
Okay.
Then beside it.
And it will go out from which point?
B.
B. Great. Thank you so much, Nagam. Hope this one's clear for you all. It's so easy. There's a lot of steps, a lot of reflection, but using our finger, we are going to go with the laser and we are going to find the right answer. Remember, guys, this question is 3 points question, so it's easy question. That's why we can do it fast. Now, on question number 4, who's going to read for us?
Can I read?
Can I
Uh,
read, please?
Can I read? Can I read?
okay, I will see the. So I have Najib.
What's up?
Hi, Najib.
Hi, teacher.
So can you read for us, please?
Uh,
If you want, skip it. Don't worry.
okay. Were used in the early 13th century. Any integer from 1 to 99 can be represented by a signal glybe formed by combing two of glybe shown below. The glybe for 24 looks like
Like the shape.
the shape is
And the glyph for 81 looks like. Also the shape.
And the glyph for 93 looks like this shape. What does the glyph for 45 look like?
Okay, so if you want to, first of all, before going into the problem, we are going to compare using those and those. So of course, 24, if we took the 20 and then take the 4, we're going to obtain those two numbers. And after, by combining them, they told us they are going to combine them, they are going to obtain this shape. So I can see clearly that this line and this line are confounded, or in other words, we are going to draw it once, and this symbol will go for 20, and adding that symbol will go for 4. That's why we obtained this shape. So what does the glyph for 45 look like? So simply, who's going to help us?
Me, teacher, can I read?
Yes, Walid.
Basically, we take the 40 and the 5, the two.
Okay. So this is the 40 and this is the 5.
We're gonna
So,
combine them together.
okay, so one line and the 40 it has this arrow. I'm going to draw it. And the 5 have this triangle. Am I doing it right?
Yes.
So it will be shape of this. Let's compare it to the answers. And do we have it here?
Yeah, D.
D. Okay, great. Thank you, Walid. So this one, as you can see, we did nothing. We just combined the numbers with which was so easy for us. And we obtained the shape of 45.
Can I
Now,
read?
Teacher, can I please
Can I
answer?
read?
It's me, Muhammad Fawzan.
Can I read, please?
okay,
May I
Muhammad.
read?
It's me, Muhammad Fawzan. Can I answer, please?
Okay, Muhammad, you're going now to work, and then I'm going to choose another.
Okay. Marbles are sold in packages of 5, 10, or 25. Tamim buys exactly 95 marbles. What is the minimum number of packages he could buy?
Okay, what are the ideas?
5, 10, 25, or 95? 5, 10, or 25?
So 5, 10, and 25. So always, in this type of questions, start with the biggest number.
Teacher, I
Yes,
already know the answer.
Teacher, I found the answer. Can I answer it?
It's 5, teacher.
it's not about the answer. It's about we must know how to
Teacher,
solve.
can I say? Can I tell
Because
Yeah,
you how
but
to solve
teacher,
it?
uh, you can see 25, 50, 75, 90. Then one more package of 5 equals 95.
no, it's wrong, Muhammad.
How?
It's
Teacher,
wrong.
can I answer? Can I answer?
No, Walid. I
It's
have
simple.
Dana.
Yes, Mister.
Yes. Can you help us here?
Um, I'm sorry, but I can't. I didn't still understand because I just got in here.
Okay, don't worry. Stay with me if you want. I will show you what to do step by step.
Okay,
So,
thank you.
It's 4. It's
we know that the marbles are sold in packages of 5, 10, 25. On our draft, we're going to type 5, 10, 25. And I know that Tamim buys exactly 95 marbles. So, what is the minimum number of packages he could buy? In case they ask you about the maximum number of packages, of course, you're going to say 5, 5, 5 till 95. So you multiply it by 19. But they want the minimum number. So start with the biggest one. How many 25 and 95 do I have?
I think 3 or 4.
3. 4, it will be 100, so it's not our answer. 3. 3 times 25 is
95.
no
90.
75.
90 maybe.
25 plus 25 is 50 plus 25 is 75.
Can I answer?
Then maybe times 4.
No, times 4 it's 100. So I'm going to say times the 3 packages of 25, and I'm going to start adding the 10 and 5 packages. So 75. 95 minus 75 is 20. Out of 20, how many packages can I take from 10? In other words,
2.
how many 10? Yes, 2. So 3 packages of 25 marbles and 2 packages of 10 marbles, it will be 95. So what is the minimum number of packages? Of course, we're going to add those two numbers to get the answer 5, which is B. Thank you.
Teacher, I already told you B.
Yes, I know, but it's not about the answer now. Everyone can take the answer from the site. The idea is we want to think
Site?
together. From the site, you can open the site Kangaroo and download the
No, I'm
answers.
doing it on my own.
But you told me 4 times 25 is
It's
90
100.
plus 5. That's why
Yeah, I miscalculated a little.
yes, you cannot. Now, number 6, we are start to getting the hard stuff, but it's easy also. I'm going to choose.
Can I read?
Can I read? What can I do it?
I have people who, Mishari, you already did 11 times.
No, teacher, I didn't do.
Taline, 11. No, I'm going to Taline now.
Teacher, I didn't do, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Oh, Mishari, I'm sorry. I was confused between you and Mishari. Yes. Yes, Taline, can you help us here? Start reading for
Yes,
us,
of
please.
course. Okay. ABCD is a square with side length 10 centimeters. What is the area of the shaded parts?
Okay. What ideas do you have?
Um, I think, as we read here, that the side length, like the letters A, B, C, D, are the side lengths of 10 centimeters. So
Yes.
I'm going to think that we're going to multiply, maybe. I'm not sure.
Okay, so by multiplying it, we will get that 100 centimeters squared is the area of the whole square.
Yes. Yes, so the whole square is 100, if I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
right.
So then we're going to have the shaded parts, which I'm going to think that we are going to divide it.
Yes.
Yes. We have 4 shaded parts.
Okay, but in fact, I prefer if you can compare them. So this one is equal to this one is equal to this is equal to this, and so on. In this case, we are going to divide by 2 because
Yeah.
sometimes it's going to be tricky. They are going to shade for you one part, for example, 1/4 of this circle. So we
Oh,
are talking about divide by 4, not divide by 2. Okay?
okay. So we're going to divide 100 by 4.
No, now we are going to divide it by 2 because we have 2 parts shaded, for example, from the circle, which is
Like,
divided to 4 parts.
oh,
Okay,
okay. So it's
so
the answer. The answer will be 50 centimeters.
of course. Thank you. No, of course, everyone got the idea. It's an easy question. And I want just to focus on this idea because maybe they're going to shade more or maybe they are going to shade less. So of course, if we have, for example, one part of the circle shaded, we are not going to talk about divide by 2. It's a fraction, by the way. So 1 out of 2 of the whole square is shaded. So the area will be 100 times 1 over 2, which is 100 over 2. I'm talking about 100 divided by 2, which is 50. Okay, and for this one, I'm going
Can I
to
answer?
take, uh, let me just,
Can I answer me, Faris?
who's the first
Can
one
I
who
answer?
asked?
Me, I'm Noel.
You
Can I
know,
answer?
well, but let us share all of us. So
Me,
there's
Faris.
Tamim.
Can I answer?
Tamim, you're with us?
Yes, mister.
Yes, Tamim. Can you please read for us
Yes, mister.
the question?
Okay. Mister, in Arabic or English?
English, I prefer English.
In the garage shown in the picture, wheels can only move forward or backward, but cannot turn with the smallest number of
Vehicles. Vehicles.
vehicles that have to move for the black car to be able to exit the garage.
Okay, what are the ideas?
Mister, the middle car, it will go back.
This one? This one?
No, no, yes, this one.
Okay, if it went back, just focus on the idea. It consists of 3 blocks. The total of this bus is 3 blocks. So if we moved it back 1 unit,
Oh, okay, wait, mister,
it will
wait.
finish here. So it will remain blocking it.
Wait.
Teacher, me, I know.
Yes, mister, me, I know it.
Yes.
Mister, the big car
answer?
in the left, you will keep it to go forward.
Okay, but I can move it only 1 unit.
Can I answer me, Faris?
Wait, I want to see if
Can I answer?
Mishari
Me,
want to
Faris.
answer.
Mister, he knows the answer.
Me too, I'm Noel.
Yes, Mishari?
تيتشر مشاري مية ولا مشاري الأحيان؟
No, Mishari
Mister, please,
Rahyan.
mister, I know the answer.
Oh, yes, teacher.
Okay, Mishari, I want you to help us here.
Mister, please, can I answer?
Okay, just wait for your
Teacher,
friend
after
Mishari.
مشاري الأحيان I will, if he doesn't know, I will answer because I know.
Mishari is not responding, so I'm
No,
going.
teacher, do
So
you
can
hear
I,
me?
Yes.
can I, can I, can
Wait, wait,
I,
Teacher, do
wait,
you hear me?
guys. Yes, Mishari?
Teacher, do
can
you hear me,
I,
teacher?
Yes,
Teacher,
Mishari,
do you
can
hear me?
you help us? Yes, of course.
Okay. Uh, I read it or answer?
No answer. So show us your algorithm. So what you are doing, what you are thinking about.
Okay. You can put
I can what?
can the this bus
Okay, the first one, the one facing the car.
it goes up.
1 unit. But we said that if it went up, it will stay blocking the car. So that's why it's not our choice.
Teacher, I know the answer.
Mister, can I answer?
Can
والله
I
نسيت ترى I know it. Can I answer?
No, wait.
So
Teacher,
easy.
I know the answer this time.
So, now I want
can I answer?
Teacher, can I answer?
Tamer.
Me عربي.
Tamer, you can hear us?
Hello.
Hello?
Can I answer?
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, the bus in front of the car will go down.
Okay, so if it went one unit down, we will stay blocking because
Yes, but then the car that's down, it will go to the left.
left, okay, 1 unit.
Then the bus over the small car on the top
Yeah,
right
it will go to.
will go up.
Okay,
Then the small car will go up,
okay, so it will go up 1 unit. This one
and
will
then
be
the bus
free.
will go into a spot.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3 units, great.
And then the bus that was in front of the car goes all the way down.
So all the way down, it will
Then
be.
the black car can go out of the garage.
Okay, so how many cars we moved?
6. We
How
moved 1,
many?
2, 3, 4. 4
Yes.
cars, but we moved it 6 times.
Okay, so it doesn't matter how many times we moved. It doesn't matter how many cars we're going to move. The question is about how
Listen, may I
many
tell
cars.
for you this and you tell for me no. It's only one time.
No, I didn't.
Tell for me one time from all of the things.
No.
One time forward and one time left and one time right, like this.
So of course, it's clear for all how we did this. It's an easy question.
Yeah.
We must use our fingers and move. When we moved that one up, we couldn't, it stayed blocking the car. So of course, our choice will be down. And in order to take it down, we must move this. And in order to move this, we must move the small car. And in order to move the small car, we must move the bus. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to choose.
Can I answer? I'm Nawal الدخيل.
Teacher, can I answer? I'm Walid الشيباني.
Yes, Nawal, you can answer this one.
Jalia has one long string of spaghetti. She needs to make smaller every time. She breaks one piece of spaghetti, it becomes 3 pieces, as shown in the picture. Which of the following numbers of pieces could not get?
Okay, so what are your ideas?
Um, I think we can't get 25.
Okay, so you are guessing, you are not trying. Okay, I will help you. First of all, it's called patterns. So you already took the patterns and you know how to convert to understand your sequence or your pattern. Okay. So
Teacher, may I answer? Me فارس
no,
غربي.
let Nawal and then I'm going to ask you. Okay. So the first piece, I cut at that piece and I got 3 pieces. And I'm going to cut each piece to get 3 pieces. So my pattern or my sequence is I started with 1. It became 3.
3.
And after the 3, I cut it 1 to get 3 parts.
9.
No, one of them only. We cut it only one of them.
Okay.
So 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4, 5. And if we cut it another one, of course, we're going to start addition of 7, of 2, sorry. Adding 2 to the 5, we will get 7. We will get 9, and so on. So we can add 2 all the time, or we can simply look at those patterns. All of them, as you can see, are odd numbers, not even numbers. So which one is not an odd number, or in other words, even number?
Teacher,
Again, teacher.
I know which one.
Again, teacher.
Which one is even, not odd?
Me.
Me?
I'm مشعل الخشلان.
So simply, yes, Mishari.
I think it's 9. No, I think it's 9. Yeah, I think.
No, I don't. I'm not talking about those numbers. I'm talking
Teacher, it's
about the
E.
choices.
Teacher,
Teacher, I think I know the answer.
E is 25. 25 is an odd
Actually,
number.
I think it's C because
20.
it's an even
C.
number.
C, teacher.
Yeah,
Teacher,
Yes.
it's C. It's so easy.
C.
Yes, C.
So even number.
20 is an even number. So if we
Teacher, can
continue
I
this
answer?
sequence, not now. If
Yeah.
we continue this sequence, we are not going to obtain 20. And we can test it 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So 13 and 17 are in the sequence. 19 is below the 20. 21, which is above 20, we couldn't pass through 20. We skipped the 20. So this is our answer. Now, of course, we must read the question carefully. And it's normal if you cannot understand the idea in an English writing, you can read from the Arabic writing, of course. Sometimes it's more clear in Arabic, sometimes it's more clear in English, according to the question structure. So, as you can see, sometimes they are just using the Google Translate. So, if the question is in Arabic and translated to English, it will never be clear. We are going to read it in both languages if we can understand both languages, and we are going to solve it. Now, I'm going.
Can I read it, please?
No, use it to me, Faris. Use it to me, Faris. Faris.
Yes, I promised Faris.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Faris, please read for us.
Okay. Badr rearranges the 7 pieces shown to get the smallest possible 12-digit number. What are the last 3 digits of this number?
Okay.
Teacher, the first we try to make the biggest number, make it in the ones place. So we put 9,
Okay.
then 69.
Okay. But remember,
Yes.
9 is the smallest, the biggest number for the ones. So we can put the 69 or 9, right?
Yeah. Yes.
To obtain the 9 and the ones. But in
Yes.
this order, you got rid of 2 9s at the beginning, which will give you the smallest number.
Yes.
And of course, your choice is
A.
okay. Okay, thank you, Faris.
You're
So
welcome.
I'm going to
Teacher,
explain
I
for
didn't
all.
understand.
Yes, I'm going to explain it. It's a little bit confused. So usually any number like I will say 123, we are going to obtain the biggest number by having the biggest digit on the left. So if we rearrange 1 and 2 and 3, we are going to obtain 321. So if we want to arrange to get the smallest number, Here we can see the smallest possible 12-digit number. We are going to get rid of all the big digits at the beginning, and then to reach the first one must be the smallest digit. So 113 must be from the left. After the 113, we are going through. We will see 4, 5. We need the smallest one. 4 is the smallest, so I'm going to put the 4 here, and so on. But the question is, they want to see from the right. So we are going to get rid of all the big numbers. I have all the big digits, sorry, not the big numbers. I have the 9 as a big digit. I have the 69 also starting with the 9. I have the 67 is 7. Okay, it's big, but not as 9. So we are going to arrange them. We need the 69 and 9, or we are going to start with the 9, then the 69. Let's see. So 6, 9, 9, or we're going to say 9, 6, 9. Of course, we are going to compare those two numbers. We know that this one is bigger, but we are going to stick on this one because we need to get the smallest number, not the biggest number. So get rid of all the big numbers first. And we are going on small numbers to get the smallest possible number we can get. Now, is it clear for all?
Yeah.
Yes.
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 Teacher, can you just repeat really fast because I couldn't
Yes.
understand.
Yes. It's really clear.
Please. Now, who didn't understand, please?
I want to make sure I understood.
Me, please.
Me, me, teacher, please.
Mister, can I ask you something?
No, I need to see who didn't understand this question.
Me, teacher Hassa.
Me.
Okay, okay, let's repeat in different ways. So,
Teacher,
yes,
is it like basically I start off with the smallest possible numbers to the biggest?
yes, but you are talking about from left to right. If we want to start from right to left, they want to see the first numbers, the last 3 digits of this number, as if they are talking about the ones on the right.
It's because the problem says it's trying to get the smallest possible 12-digit number from these.
Yes, so we are going to combine all those numbers and we want the smallest possible one of them. So of course, if we arrange them and we try, we are going to obtain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 choices. So we're talking about more than 100 possible choice. We're not going to put them all and then we're going to compare the smallest one. We're going to follow the rules. So any number ending with a small number will be the smallest, of course. And as I told you, the 123 is the smallest number if you want to arrange the 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. This is the smallest choice because if we arrange 132 is bigger, 321 also is bigger. So we need from the left all the small numbers and from the right all the big numbers. If we took the large numbers or big numbers to the left, we are going to obtain a larger number and we don't need that. The question is the smallest possible 12-digit number. So we started by picking up the biggest digit first. And the ones I need the biggest digit. It's clear we have the 9 in two cases. So one of them will be the first box. If we started with the 9, we are going to put the 69 after it. So we are going to obtain 699. And if we added the 69 first, we're going to put the 9, then we're going to obtain 969. And of course, we are going to stick on this choice because we got rid of from the both nines first. Okay, so I want in the one and in the hundreds places, I want and the tens places, sorry, I want to get rid of the biggest digits. So here in this case, I got rid of the two nines found in the numbers and so on. So
So,
yes,
so what I understand that we have to arrange the biggest numbers and then erase them so we can have the small numbers.
yes, of course. Otherwise, if the nine was like from the left, we are going to deal with 9 million or 900 million. We're going to obtain something big.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Welcome. Now, anyone that, have problems till now in this number?
No.
Okay, let's move on.
Mister, can I answer?
Can I answer?
Teacher, can I answer this, please?
Can I read?
No, I
Mister, can
want
I answer? I'm Ahmad.
Can I read
Ali.
Abdulaziz?
No, I want Ali now.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Ali, how are you?
Fine.
I want you please to read for us.
Okay. Which of the following fractions of a whole turn should the Ferris wheel turn to bring a white spot to the top?
Okay, so let's agree on clockwise direction. For example, it's moving in this direction. So we want which one to be up? A white one. So we're talking about this one. Okay, so which fraction and why?
Okay. I think it's 1 over 12.
Okay, we will test. So after a whole turn means everything will remain in the same position. So nothing changed. We need only one single move to get the white to the top. So we're going to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the total number is 12. And I need to move only
One time.
one turn. So not one turn, one time, right? So 1 over 12, which is D. Thank you, Ali.
Welcome.
So is it clear for all?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mister, can I answer? I'm Ahmad Sheikh.
Can I answer?
Can I read Abdulaziz? Can I read?
Can I
Let
answer?
me see.
Teacher, it's me, Muhammad Fawzan. This time, can I
Can I read
answer?
Abdulaziz? Abdulaziz, can I read
No,
Abdulaziz?
Muhammad, I need.
Mister, can I answer? I'm
Can
Ahmad
I read
Sheikh.
my
Teacher,
Abdulaziz?
please.
No,
Please,
I
teacher.
need. Let me see.
Can I read Abdulaziz?
Teacher, can I read Muhammad?
Yeah, let me see. Abdulaziz.
Yes.
Yes, read for us, please. The next question.
5 big elephants and 4 small ones are walking along a path, as shown. When they reach the junction, each elephant turns either to the left or to the right. Which of the following cannot be the situation after they all pass the junction?
Okay, so what ideas do you have?
I'm sorry, I'm thinking.
Okay, take your time. Usually in this type of questions, you are going directly to start with the choices. So they told you the following cannot be the situation. So of course we are going to test our choices if it can be the situation or not. So simply start with the A. As you can see, we have one big elephant up and the rest are small, and I have four big elephants down. So simply go. One big elephant up. I will denote it by B. And one small elephant. To continue this pattern in A, we are going to do it also up. This one must go down. Big and big. So two big elephants down. One small elephant will go up. One big elephant will go down. One small elephant will go also up, and one big elephant will go down, and one small elephant will finally go up. So clearly, A can be the situation.
Teacher, A is
No, A is not the answer. A
A is
can
not the
be.
answer.
Yes, of
It's
course.
C.
It's C, teacher.
Excuse me. Wait, excuse me.
Yes.
I understand it as left and right, not up and down. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah, yeah. It doesn't make a problem.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Welcome. So we're
Teacher,
going
can I
into
answer
B.
the next?
B is
Who's
not
going
correct.
to try B?
Teacher, I didn't get it.
Okay, Walid, we are just testing. So we tested the A. We can do this shape after passing them. One of them will go up, one of them will go down, or one of them will go right, one of them will go left, and so on. So we just tested, we found that A can be, they want the following, which cannot be the situation. So we are just testing them. A can be, so we took it away. And Hafsa,
Teacher, I think the correct answer is C.
the correct answer is C, maybe, but we want to try the B.
Okay.
The first one, will it go right or left, up or down?
Left.
Left. Okay, so this one went to the left. This one,
Right.
okay. This one,
Left.
okay. This one,
Right.
now this small one,
Left.
and the big one,
Right.
okay. And this one,
Left.
this one,
Left.
uh, I don't think so because we already obtained four elephants. So we're going
Teacher.
into right. And of course, the last one will go to the right. So this one is also a case, so we cannot take it. We need to cross it.
C.
Okay. Someone have a high volume.
Teacher, is C the correct answer?
Okay, look. In this type of questions, we cannot see if something is correct or something is not, because if we
But
did
I
this
tried it.
wrong,
That's why I tried it.
yes, but look, if the B we did it, but it was wrong, so of course it doesn't mean it's not our answer. It can be and it cannot be at the same time. So we need to test everything to reach the right one. If you feel like C is the answer, go for D and try it. We cannot be sure about something without trying the other choices here.
Teacher, can I answer?
Yes, Walid.
Do I do C?
Skip it because everyone is saying maybe it's an answer. So let's go for D.
Okay. So first we start with the first one, up.
Okay.
The second one we start with it down,
Okay.
and then we can. I'm gonna say up,
Okay.
down,
Great.
down,
Great.
up,
Now you're going to obtain 3 big elephants up. Continue.
and then we're gonna go up.
This is a mistake because if we went up, we're going to obtain the big elephant to go down, but we need the small elephant to go down.
Down.
So take it down. So we are done with the small elephants now. And after
Okay.
that, we can finish. This one is down, this one is up.
Okay.
So
Then there is elephant.
it can be done. And of course, we have E and C. We must try E, for example.
Teacher, I don't understand.
Okay, so what we are doing here is the following.
Can I do E?
We are
Also, me,
just,
Mr. I don't
And D.
yes, no, don't worry about E now. I want everyone to understand what we are doing. So the question is, which situation cannot be done here? So simply, we are going to test each one alone. We tested this one. We can go
Yes, I
up
know.
on the first
But
elephant. And yes, what's your question?
and D. How it says two small elephants, then one big one, and here it's one big, then one small, then two big elephants, then
No,
one small elephant. So
only
how?
one big,
So
only one, only this one. Those went up.
yes, but I can do like change their places.
No, if you change their places, it cannot. We cannot change any place. When they reach this point, they are going either to the right or left. We cannot change.
Yes. Then how the last big elephant? You said it's down, then the
And the small
other
will go up.
okay. Now I understand.
Okay, but if we did it wrong, like Walid before, we are going to say that D might be the answer. That's why we must try all of the choices in order to cross them out, and then we will have the obtain the right answer. And who's going to do E for us?
Can I do it? Can I do it, teacher? Me, Muhammad.
Uh,
Me,
let me
Muhammad,
see.
teacher.
Who didn't share yet?
Muhammad. محمد فوزان, teacher.
Me بندر الفغم بندر الفغم.
Teacher me,
Okay.
Ali Ashif.
Ali, you
Muhammad.
already shared.
Yes, I already said.
So Abdullah Rawaf didn't share yet.
Me بندر
بسميه أحمد شيخ. أحمد شيخ.
Okay, Bandar. Yes, Bandar. Go for E.
E is
You can see
Up.
them. Let me.
yes.
Teacher, can I answer?
Wait a minute. Okay, now.
The first one up, teacher. The big elephant up,
Okay,
and
the
then
small.
the small is down.
No, it will start with the big elephant, so it's not up. Let's send it down.
The big elephant is up, and the small elephant is
Let's write down. Try it from down.
down.
So
And
the big
the-
elephant down, the small elephant.
The small elephant down,
Okay,
and then the big elephant up,
okay. And the second
and then
one.
and the other big elephant up,
Okay,
and the small elephant down,
great.
and then we have the big elephant down,
Okay,
and the small elephant we put it down again,
great.
and then we put the big elephant up, and then
Okay,
the small elephant up.
okay.
small elephant-
So you obtained the choice E.
Yes.
So of course, C, we cannot, it's not our choice. It's not a suitable situation, so we cannot take it. So C is the answer. Okay,
Teacher, how?
بس it's a little confusing. Can you like read the words quickly?
Teacher.
okay. What we
Teacher,
did here is the
wait.
following. I will explain them. What we did here is the following. So we went through all the choices to test which choice can happen. So we found that A, we can do it if we send the big elephant up and the small up, and we continue big down and everyone small is going to up, we'll obtain the same figure. And so on. We tried all of the choices except C because someone said C is the answer. So we tried all the other choices and we found that C right is the answer. We cannot do this.
But try C and try E. E, we can't.
No,
We also can do E.
that way, Ahmad said the way and he made it right. So he sent the first one down, the small elephant down, so he covered those two. And then he sent this big and this one up, and you can send this one up, this one up, this one up, this one down, this one down. So the last two are like those last two, and the first two are like those first two, and those are the rest. So E can be happened, but C cannot. If we try it 1 million ways, C will never be available. Now, is it clear?
Yes, is it?
Yeah.
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 Okay, so we're going to stop now, and tomorrow we're going to start with the number 12. Okay,
Okay.
thank you all, and good
Okay.
luck.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
See you
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
Bye bye.
Teacher.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.